welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about how perfectionism ruined my life, literally. So first of all, we're gonna start with story time, and then I'm gonna tell things that changed and my life lessons after that. So without any further ado, let's get started. I made a list, something to that I remember what I want to talk about. उसके बिना तो कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा. First of all, story time. So it all started at the time of 2020. At the time I took a course. It was a paid course, so I told my parents that I'll do this and that. I made promise. I told them that I'll earn after that course. It was a 1 year course and I did not complete it. So after that, same thing started happening in my life again and again. I wanted to do YouTube since 2020, so I started my other channel. I made some videos in 10th. I have those videos till now. I deleted them recently. So I made videos in 10th, but I never posted them. Again, the same loop. Then I finally gathered the courage and posted them in 2024. But still, after like 4 videos, I stopped doing that. So like you're seeing that the same pattern. And what was behind all of this was perfectionism. I recently realized that it's just not that I am lazy or I'm not ambitious enough. That's why I started it and posted 4 or 5 videos. But after that, I think I started chasing perfectionism. So that perfectionism ruined my life in so many ways. When I made some projects very like detail and बिल्कुल perfect, जो ऐसा मुझे लगता था कि this is perfect, I did it ना. तब तो मुझे किसी ने बोला नहीं कि यार this is like you are spending too much time on this project, it doesn't worth the time. My perfectionism is in my handwriting too. Like अगर मेरा E सही नहीं बना है तो I'm trying to make it right. I have started the writing on Substack. I hope you guys know it. So I've written like 9 pieces there. It's not like I don't do work. I've written 9 pieces there. But after that, I started comparing myself to the people who were writing from like 2-3 years, and I started chasing perfect like vocabulary and perfect the writing style. Again, the same loop. I started feeling overwhelmed, and then I left it. After that, I started an Insta page recently, like this year only in 2026 1st January. I started the page. Then I continued for like it was good on January. Then after January, क्या हुआ कि I started feeling like कि I'm not doing enough. The videos are not aesthetic, or I don't have like good scripts, or like for that I'm not doing what other creators are doing, even though other creators are doing it for years and I have just started. It's just that there are two things: comparison and perfection. They are just ruining my life again and again and again. So other than these 3 things, I have like journaling. I am doing journaling since 2020 June, and this is like 2026 June. But I am doing it on and off because again I started comparing my journaling. जो डायरी अपन लिखते हैं, which is not supposed to be judged. I started judging that कि मैं अच्छा लिख रही हूँ. I don't have like 4-5 diaries, gratitude journal and daily ideas or manifestation. जब things start getting in my head, I hope I'm explaining it in a good way. I'm just saying कि when I start thinking 4 steps ahead, like I'm here and I'm thinking about this. So I want what this person have, but I am here. So it is not happening with me. So I was talking about what changed. So the thing I have mainly written 3 things that helped me. I will not say कि मैं उस चीज़ से बाहर आ गई हूँ और I have coped up, but I am trying and I'm like here. I was here and I'm like here. So it is a progress. So first of all, the thing that I wrote is self-awareness. I have become so much aware about my emotions, how I handle things and what is happening. I was saying that there is a loop, so I get to know about that because I am self-aware about things. And the second thing is ChatGPT. Recently, like 2-3 days back, I used ChatGPT and I wrote something and I asked to analyze it. And then I talked to ChatGPT for like 1.5 hours, and तो ChatGPT ने हेल्प किया मुझे टू रियलाइज़ कि what is actually happening and what I want and what is actually I need to do. I chase all the things that I want to change in my life at the same time at this current space of time. Like for example, if I want a perfect body, if I want a like good income source, I want like a I want to be good at academics in my college work, internships. I want to good at YouTube, consistent Instagram page, Substack. I want all of this to be perfect at the same time, and this caused me anxiety. And then I quit things, and then the pattern repeats there because I am not given up my dreams, so I keep coming back to it. This is in a simple language. It told me. I'm gonna read some quotes from it. I have written it in quotes. I write a lot, guys. I want certainty before I create. But the kind of certainty I want can only come from creating. Listen to it again. Go back and listen to it again. So the third thing that made me realize is my friend. We were talking on a call and he said something like, "Ki it will take time." It is like you are doing this from since childhood, तो तेरे को टाइम लगेगा. एंड आई वॉज नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि आई थिंक इन माई माइंड दैट आई हैव वेस्टेड सो मच टाइम ऑलरेडी इफ आई बेस इवन मोर विच आई एम डूइंग बाय ओवर थिंकिंग एंड trying to make it perfectionism. So he made me realize that it will take time to change things, to not chase perfection. And I'm gonna tell you guys 3 or 4 life lessons, not life lessons, but things that I have learned from whole of this perfectionism things. So first is taking things one at a time. I'm gonna take things one at a time. Like I am filming this video, so I am just only thinking about filming this video, and the next step is posting, not hook, not algorithm, not consistency, or not. I'm not gonna promise to myself that I'm gonna post regularly or post 10 videos. Nothing. And second thing, from ChatGPT and from like whole my analyzation, I realized that I need to change my mindset and ask different questions. Like I'm gonna give you like example. The first is like if I'm chasing perfectionism or consistency, instead of asking how do I do this perfectly or consistently, I'll ask, can I make one video this week that I'm willing to let be imperfect? Okay. The change of mindset. So the second is instead of saying I fail at so many things, you guys can say or I can say I did not continue them as long as I wanted them to be. I learned कि अब मुझे promise नहीं करना है बड़े बड़े, और I don't need to take 10 things at a time. I'm just gonna take one things at a time. I'll collect small evidences जिसमें जो मैं बोलूँगी वो मैं करूँगी, but I'll only say small things, छोटे छोटे goals जो I can achieve. So final thoughts, I don't need to change my whole life now this month. I only need to think out next real thing. So I'm gonna left you guys with this question ki always ask what's the next real thing that I would do. Just one thing, one next video, one podcast, or anything, one study session. And can also give you guys the ChatGPT prompt if you wanna do that self-realization thing. I'm gonna put it in description box or pin comment. So that's it for today. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.